Hi there, my name is Dante Gideon. I am soon to be the owner of Mountain Best Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning. This is my review for contractor independence marketing, but mainly for my man Rylan. Rylan has been doing an excellent job. Everything we ask of him, we see immediately what he's doing. When I go on our Google page, I can see that it's not fluff. This man is he's doing it. He's doing it exactly what we described. Um, but even better is when we don't give him as much of a sense of direction as we should. He is going out on his own and doing the best for our business, and it really shows. He's doing a great job. Not to mention professional and laid back, easy to talk to. So I couldn't ask more. So great work, Rylan. Um, and you deserve it. So thank you. What surprised me most about working with contractor independence was how um, personal of an experience it can be if you're willing to reciprocate. But it was surprising to see uh, how personal it would be. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it would be much more impersonal. I didn't even really expect to see the face of the person that would be doing our social engineering. So that is what surprises me the most. He's been updating us constantly, as he should be, and it has been benefiting the business. I've been running the service side of it for a couple of months now, and I can see direct results not only on Google but also from the business side of it. I would say to another business that it is clear when you start working for this company that your sales will increase simply based on the data, for my business and apparently for many others. So it will be to your benefit. It's like I've read in a book to it's like putting money in, putting cents to the dollar, putting in 10 cents and getting in 20 cents. It's an easy business decision.